Hey, Jeff Oddo here, president of Citywide Maintenance Company. Thanks for watching this short video. The goal is to see if we are a good fit in 5 minutes or less, so let's jump right in. Citywide's a management company in the building maintenance industry. It's been family owned by my family for 60 years, and we can provide more than 20 different facility solutions to commercial clients. We can help them with anything from parking lot sweeping and striping, to janitorial, to roofing and painting. Why do you care? Well, because I think there might be a great opportunity for the two of us to work together. But first, let me explain. Traditionally, Citywide has grown outside of Kansas City through franchising, where my team and I teach people how to start a business from scratch and build a multi-million-dollar business. In fact, this year we'll do about $370 million in revenue, with an average size account being around $2,000. That means our owners are averaging almost $5 million in revenue, and they have a 32% gross margin. That strategy has been very successful, as we are now in the 65 largest cities in the country. But today we're now pursuing a conversion strategy in addition to our traditional method. The primary business benefit of this is that we don't have to start a business from scratch. And the good news is we've picked your city and for others to give it a try. Conversions are a proven model in almost every franchise concept, and we know it will not be any different with Citywide. Hence the reason for this message. Today we're looking for owners who already own businesses that provide facility services to commercial properties to become part of our Citywide family. Ever since I took over the family business, our goal has been to be the market leader in the $100 billion maintenance industry. We're confident that we can help convert an existing business like yours and teach you how to evolve into a management company that offers all 20 plus services. Just think about it. You already have the office space, the accounting department, the clients, but with Citywide, we can help you increase the share of the client's wallet. Said another way, we can help you take your relationships and sell a lot more services to them, which make them stickier, increase your margins, and helps you retain them longer. It's a win-win. It's better for you and the clients because they have less people to deal with. Heck, the hardest part of selling is getting in front of the client. And with Citywide, we can open doors with 25 different services, and we can keep them around for a lot longer. I could go on, but for today, let's leave it there. If you like the concept, if you like the idea, I'd love to talk to you. But first, I want you to check out our website. Look at our values, because it really needs to be a good match. Life's just way too short to work with people who you're not in alignment with and don't share your values and culture. But if you think there's a match here, then we should definitely talk. You can either call my assistant, Brenda Burnes, at 913-888-5700, extension 257, or send her an email at bburnes@gocitywide.com. And don't forget to check us out at gocitywide.com and or citywidefranchise.com between now and when we talk. Either way, we're coming to your city, so even if you're not 100% sure you're interested, but just want to learn a little bit more about us, give us a call. All you have to do is lose a little bit of time. All right, that's it. Thanks again. I look forward to talking to you soon.